One winner. That could be you. Which country is both an island and a continent? Australia. Where did the Olympic Games originate? Greece. What color pill does Neo choose in The Matrix? Red. What is the world's tallest waterfall? Angel Falls, Venezuela. Is Pluto considered a planet? No. What does GIF stand for? Graphics Interchange Format. Which country shares the longest land border with the United States? Canada. Which band is considered the greatest rock band of all time? The Beatles. Which band released the hit song Bohemian Rhapsody? Queen. Who was the primary author of the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. Who was the first person to circumnavigate the globe? Ferdinand Magellan. Which of these animals has the largest brain minus-to-minus body ratio? Ant. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. Which is larger, a Google or a Googleplex? A Googleplex.